Hello artist. Today we're going to learn about shape, and we're going to be tracing shapes all over our paper. I'm going to take a pencil and trace this circle everywhere, all around my page. I can trace the inside of the circle, or I could trace the outside for a bigger circle. I'm going to fill my paper with circle shapes, and then I'll talk to you about the next step. Do you see how full my paper is with shapes? Now I'm going to pick a couple of colors that are next to each other in the rainbow. These colors really blend beautiful together. So I think I'm going to go with blue and purple and pink. Maybe you want to go with other colors in the rainbow, like red and orange and yellow. These ones blend beautifully. These are our warm colors. Maybe I'll add green to my mix because green is a cool color and it blends with these colors. We're gonna take our markers and we're gonna trace right around our circle. We're not gonna color it in. We're just going to trace all of our circles different colors. So whatever ones you want, go ahead and trace right around the edge until you do all your circles. All right, now that all my circles are traced, I get to do the fun part. I'm gonna take a wet paintbrush and paint inside my circles with the water. I'm gonna do all my pink circles first. I'm gonna touch the paint and I'm gonna fill in the circle. And you can see that the marker kind of acts like watercolor paint. So I'm gonna paint all of my circles in, starting with my pink ones, and then I'll paint all of the rest of them. Now I've painted water inside all of my shapes, and they kind of look like bubbles floating. If I have extra time, maybe I'll paint in these empty spaces too, the negative space. Teachers, if your student has extra time, they can always just trace the edge of the paper with a color and then use that for their paint. I'm going to trace my edges in blue and I'll fill in my little empty spaces. If your student doesn't have time to do that, that's okay.